Hey guys, welcome back to Qual 8. Today we are going to color on shrink plastic and put it in the oven to shrink it. Also, if you liked my last video on a shirt cover, then comment below if you want me to make overalls. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. I'm going to draw a narwhal, duck, chicken, dolphin, monkey, wolf, lizard, and poison dart frog. Okay, to start, I trace each one with a black Sharpie marker. Make sure to have really nice lines and conserve your shrink plastic. So think about how all of these will fit on the page. After you are done tracing the outline, then you can color them with any marker color you want. I'm going to speed this up for you so you can see what I did. While I do this, enjoy some fun music. Well, we made it. We colored all of our animals and now we are collecting them to take to our baking sheet to shrink them in the oven. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees and carefully place your Shrinky Dink on an old baking sheet. I had mine covered with wax paper. You will want an adult nearby to help you with this, as the temperature is really hot. Generally, when they shrink, they roll up, then flatten out again. But to be on the safe side, you may have to press them flat with a spatula or a spoon while they are still warm. Here's what they look like after shrinking and pressing with a spoon. This was fun. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you.